Okay, tonight I am doing one that has been on my list for a while, and I pulled it up because I had tried to do another one earlier. It was a version of Earth Song where Dimash was doing a duet with a Chinese rapper, and uh, I thought it would be interesting on that to see how it was. But then watching, I was a bit disappointed, not with Dimash's singing, but the the words, the translation, and that could be a problem too, that the translation of the lyrics that were being done by the rapper didn't seem to quite mesh with the idea of Earth Song. I have no issue with rap being included with these songs and that, but it was the wording on that. But anyway, I completed it, and it got, of course, blocked on that. So I thought, okay, let's pull another one off of my list, and the one that came up with it was this one. And I'm not even going to, excuse me, try to do the name because I'm sure that I will butcher it. But I believe it is Zhalyn. But the translation for it is flame. And a little bit of background on this. The song, it's in the Kazakh language, it's being sung, and it was written by a Kazakh composer. And again, a name I'm not going to uh, attempt, but I will put it in the description. He kind of co authored this with Dimash, and he said they had gotten together back in 2020, and he had already had sort of the melody going, and he showed a portion of it to Dimash, and just looking at it, Dimash immediately came up with the sound of the chorus of it, and they kind of got together on that, and they said they were influenced by Stevie Wonder and Michael Jackson, and the song, according to his description of it, has three parts. And he says that the middle part of it is the one that has the Kazakh spirit. So I'm going to be looking for that in the song. And then the lyrics for the song were written by another uh, talented Kazakh, and this is a Kazakh poet. Again, I'm not going to attempt the name, but his lyrics said the main theme was love and the character of love. And the theme for it, for the overall, was chosen by Dimash, explaining what he wanted. And he listened to the melody over and over, and uh, had the poet put together the lyrics on that. And what they're talking about that, they said, and I'm going to quote this, so give me a second to pull that up. The quote was, "To change for someone else is tantamount to losing yourself. If you have changed yourself, you are no longer you. You turn away from your nature and become a completely different person. That's why I think we should try to understand and accept anyone, no matter how different they are from us. And that is my main point of the song." And you kind of get this: all my moves, all my impulses, the essence of my nature, take it as it is. Uh, the music video was filmed by a Kazakh director, and he said he wanted to do it in the mood video genre. That's a term that I'm kind of having to get used to. But they indicate a mood video is one where uh, they don't want you to be looking so much at a theme or a film on it, but to concentrate on the mood of the music and the performance, if that makes sense on there. So I'm going to go ahead and start the performance, and I'm going to look for those elements and see if I can hear them. I can already see the Michael Jackson influence.
әлі де бәрі де өзгермеді, жүрегің жалынды сезбей мендегі секілді бейтаныс кесердегі өтуде кетуде тербейтін өзіңсіз төзімді, көнбейтін көңілсіз жүруге мұңды, көрмедім мен мөлдір көзің сұлу сезімді, көріп қалдың қай мәнімді, қалап едің қандай болуды, талғамыңа сай жүруді, талап етпе ондай жоқ үлгі.
I'm going to stop it right there because I just noticed something. One of my co-fans said that he had noted that anytime Dimash is going to maybe change things up a little bit, he does this finger flick, and I just saw it there. So I'm going to see if what he was telling me is true. And I'm going to go back just a little bit and then start it again. There we go. So this is the chorus that Dimash immediately came up with.
Ойламай күндерден кешігуді, сұрапта үлгермей кешіріміңді, қабылдап қазіргі шешіміңді, өтерсің, кетерсің, соны да қалатын көңілде, қайтадан келмейтін түзетілуге, өкінішке айналатын уақыт бар өмірде, көріп қалдың қай мәнімді, қалап едің қандай болуды, талғамыңа сай жүруді, талап етпе ондай жоқ үлгі. Менің сүйетін мұңды солды, жүрісімді бәрін табиғи болмасында, шынайы сен қабылдағын. Сүйетін мұңды солды, жүрісімді бәрін табиғи болмасында, шынайы сен қабылдағын.
Kazakh influence. Okay, I think I caught some of the things that they were talking about. I will probably listen to it again. It will move over onto one of my other lists, but it definitely is one that I will listen to again. It's a rather short one, less than 3 minutes on there. But one of the points that I found interesting on that was talking about the relationship. And I've witnessed that in relationships of people I know where one of the couple will start to try to change their personality, their hobbies, and everything to mesh with the other member in the relationship. And while it may in the beginning work out, after a while you start feeling that you've lost yourself, and you're putting on a show rather than really being true, and that ends up hurting the relationship. So there's a lesson to be learned in the the adage of unto yourself be true. Uh, so with that, I am going to let this one go, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a good evening, and as always, peace.